Hokey religions and ancient weapons are no match for a good blaster at your side, kid. Welcome back, everybody. Here we are with issue 70. Cruising right along. Separatist supply ship. That might be interesting. I don't remember seeing that thing at all. If I did, it was brief. Okay. And Sereno, home of Count Dooku. So that might be interesting. And you would have seen this for sure in Clone Wars. And nothing for Secrets of Spaceflight this time. So we always have a starship profile thing, right? And then we have a planet. So we have Sereno, home of Count Dooku. And then usually we have the Secrets of Spaceflight. No Secrets of Spaceflight this time. We must have a lot of stuff going on here. It looks like we do. Lots of stuff. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's break this thing open and see how things go. Dump all that out. We don't need this. Don't need this piece of paper. That's everything. There we go. Okay, so what do we have going on here? So we have this thing. Not sure where that was supposed to be. Probably right here? No? I don't know, because we got this one here. This one's painted. Maybe this, because this one was painted, they didn't have it on a sprue. Oh, separate. Alright, so we have this whole sprue. Everything there. Alright, so we have that. And we have this thing of screws. Okay, well, let's take a look and see what we got to do. So we're going to, looks like, use every part on this one, which is good because I don't like having a bunch of pieces sitting around waiting. And so let's go ahead and get everything detached, cleaned up, and all that kind of fun stuff. We'll set those screws off to the side. We won't need those just yet. And just to make our life a little bit easier, we'll separate this part first. There we go. Everything is now sanded. I'm going to go wash it and wash all these pieces. And then we'll come back and start assembling them. We'll see you guys back here in a few. Okay, so we have everything cleaned and dried and all that kind of stuff. So now it's time to start attaching. And this might be, at least up to this point, the most parts I will glue on in any one time. There's quite a few parts here. And I'm going to go ahead and dry fit all these on just to make sure. Yep, we're good to go. I did not notice that before. There's two little, uh, right there on this part right here. There's two little bits of plastic that had squirted out of the mold. So I needed to clean that up. I did not notice that before. Of course, I was only looking for the parts where I cut it off. Well, there you go. That is everything. So let's go ahead and do a kind of a flyby. You can see all the parts that I put on. A lot of parts this time. I like how some stuff is symmetrical and some stuff isn't. Like, these parts not symmetrical, this part not symmetrical, and then the rest of these parts are. I just think that's kind of cool. There you go. That's everything for this issue. Wow, that's a lot of stuff going on there. So again, that's issue 70. Did all that. Next time we're going to get these parts here. So, oh, look, we get some magnets and stuff. So this is going to be the last section to fill in the upper hull plating. And then from there, that means it's about paint time. So that will start a lot of fun. All right. Well, thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed watching all those parts go on, see the details come to life as we did that. That was fun. I enjoyed it. Uh, Thanks, everybody, for watching, and may the force be with you always.